What day is it today? It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Let's see. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Let's see. Today is. Very good. And I'm asking to you, what day was it yesterday? Was it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? Let's see. Yesterday was? Perfect. And what day is going to be tomorrow? Will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? Let's see. Tomorrow will be? Very good. And tell me something. What are you wearing today? Because remember, I'm wearing pink jacket. It is a jacket. Yes. Black trousers and blue shoes. So, what about you? Remember to say, I'm wearing first the color and then the clothes. Okay, very good. And another question. Have you done healthy habits like having a shower, washing your hands, drink a lot of water? Because now we cannot do healthy habits like going to the garden, hiking in the mountains, visiting the park, or go walking. Now we have to do a very important healthy habit, which is wash the hands. I'm going to sing you a song to remember how important it is to go to the bathroom and wash the hands frequently, okay? The song is, look at my dirty hands, dirty hands, dirty hands. Look at my dirty hands, yak, yak, yak. Now I wash my hands, here my hands, I wash my hands. Now I wash my hands, clean, clean, clean. Have a nice day. I hope that you enjoyed the video and a big kiss for everybody. Bye.